Ciao guys, I hope you're in a festive mood because it doesn't get more festive than this roast turkey. So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to roast this with my forced steam in my Whirlpool oven. Simple marinade, I'm just going to use olive oil, salt and pepper, fresh herbs. So I've got sage and rosemary, which I've just chopped up into smaller pieces like so. And we're going to cover the whole turkey in this, wrap it up with aluminium foil, put it in the oven. Guys, have you ever thought why the turkey has this white and red thing on top here? It's actually a valve. So the abattoirs, when they prepare the turkeys, they will put this inside. So this is meant to be for you to know when it's cooked. So once the bird is cooked fully, this valve on top here will pop up. So you know that your bird is cooked. Your turkey is done. Don't overdo it. This is meant when it's not stuffed. So if I was going to put the stuffing in here, or I was going to take out the cavity of the bird, means I will change the dynamics of it. Then I will remove this and then I'll put the stuffing, and then the cooking time will also change. But today we're leaving it in. So let's get going. Let's get some olive oil on top of this. Gonna cover it all up so that everything can stick to it. Let me just massage that in first, because I want the herbs and the seasoning to stick to the turkey. So let's get that all nicely covered below as well, so it doesn't stick. So let's get that seasoning going and season it very nicely. Side. Okay, let's get some black pepper. We will lock in as much flavor as we can. And all our herbs. Yes. And now I want to rub in. Get it all inside. Inside the cavity, below the bird, get it all up, and get that all inside. Yes. And we are ready. Okay guys, so that's done. Let's wrap it up. So I'm just going to cover the bird. We're going to leave this on for about an hour. Then we remove it and get it nice brown color. And we want to leave it for at least an hour, like so. This is a 2 kilo turkey, so it's going to cook about 1 hour plus. I'm going to put it at 185 degrees and force steam number 2. Because I want to inject more steam into it, because when you're cooking a large turkey like this, it's best to use steam. If not, you need to put a little bit of water in your tray below your oven, so at least it creates steam inside the oven, because the bird needs moisture, so we don't want to dry it out. Okay guys, so now let's put it in the oven. Okay guys, so let's put it into the middle of the oven, like so. Get it all in nicely. Close that up. Okay guys, I'm just going to leave that for 15 minutes. We'll come back to it and have a check on it. Okay guys, let's take a look. You can see how much juice it has. You can see it all gathered there from the steam. So now I'm going to leave it for another 25 minutes. I'm going to up the temperature to about 190, 195. The steam, I'm going to reduce it by 1, so only 1 bar. And then we're going to bake it, and it'll become nice and crispy and get that golden color on the turkey. It's going to be gorgeous. Alright guys, so we are ready. Okay guys, so a beautifully cooked roast turkey here, just about an hour and a half 50 minutes on 4 steam, and then I finished it with another 25 minutes to half an hour on reducing the steam by 1, and then just giving it at a higher temperature, 195, just to give that nice finishing on the golden bake. And the result, beautifully cooked turkey, breast, the thigh or the drumstick, nicely done as well. Now all of the juices that came out of the turkey, I will definitely make a nice gravy from there and finish up a nice roast for Christmas Day. And that's it. And I hope you enjoy your roast turkey this year.